Welcome to 500 Most Common English Words for Adults, the ultimate vocabulary series for confident speaking. Master the top 25 words today with clear American pronunciation, real-life examples, and practice. Repeat after me. Word 1, the. Pronounced the or the. Big they. Word 2, be. Repeat. Main for states. Digo, I want to be successful at work. Word 3, to. Word sense, to. I need to finish it. Word 4, of. Example, the manager of the team is supportive. Word 5, and. Connects ideas. Repeat, and. Word 6, a. Pronounced into egg. Example, I need a lot work. Word 7, int. Ravine, in. Ravine. Example. Word 8, that. Pronounced dative. I think that idea is excellent. Word 9, have. Possession verb. Example, I have an important call at noon. Repeat, I enjoy learning new skills every day. Word 11, it. Repeat, it. Example, it is important to arrive on time. Word 4, fours. This gift is for my colleague. Word 13, repeat, not. I do not like delays in meetings. Word 14, preposition of surface or day. Repeat, afan den. With, pronounced with, accompaniment. Collaborate with my team daily. Word 16, he. Example, he leads the project successfully. Word 17, pronounce, as or role. Example, she works as a manager. Word 18, you person. Example, you can achieve your goals. Word 19, do. Repeat, do. Example, what do you do for a living? Word 21, this. Example, this report is due today. Word 21, this. Example, this report is due today. Word 22, but conjunction. Example, I want to go but I'm busy. Word 23, his. Example, his presentation was impressive. Word 24, by. Pronounced by. Example is by again. Word 25, from. Pronounced Ephraim. Repeat. Great job mastering the top 25 words. Practice them daily in real conversations. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for part 2 tomorrow. See you soon! Welcome back to 500 Most Common English Words for Adults, Part 2, Words 26 to 50. More daily words with clear pronunciation and real examples. Repeat after me. Let's keep mastering. Word 26, or. Pronounced or. Example, tea or coffee this morning. Word 27, one. Pronounced one. I need one more minute. Word 28, had. Example, I had a busy day yesterday. Word 29, will. I will call you later. Word 30, can. Example, I can finish the task today. Word 31, all. Example, entire quantity attended. Word 32, said. Repeat, said. Example, he said the meeting starts now. Word 33, there. Present. Example, Word 34, use. Verb for use this sake daily. Word repeat. N. Example, an hour of focused work. Word 36. Each, pronounced each. Everyone separately. Repeat, which. Example, which option is better? Word 38. She. She manages the project well. Word 39. Repeat. Their. Example, their ideas are innovative. Word 40. If. Conditional conjunction. Repeat. If you need help. Word 41. How. V for manner. How do you solve problems? Word 42. Up. Repeat. Example, up. Wake up early for success. Word 43. Out or phrasal. Find out the details. Word 44. Them. Send them the report. Word 45. Then. Example. Finish work, then relax. Word 40s. So. Again, so kwank. Word 47. Repeat. Some. Need some feedback, please. Word 48. Her. Repeat. Her. Give her the document. Word 49. Repeat. Would. Example. I would appreciate your help. Word 50. When. Pronounced when. When is the deadline? Amazing! You've mastered 50 most common words. Great progress! Subscribe for part 3 tomorrow and keep building your vocabulary.